right, so today's kit is going to be the mini moss terrarium. What comes in the kit is your instructions, a little flyer, a little glass container. It does come with a cord that you can use to hang the terrarium, and some rocks, some soil, and little decorations. And it does come with some moss. I did soak this one. It does require that for that to be done. And it got a little sheet moss that we're gonna put into the little terrarium. All right, so first we have our little glass container. What we're first gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add a layer of rocks inside. And you can use your hands for this. I did bring a spoon to help move stuff around just in case. And you're gonna wanna be careful with the rocks. You don't wanna just throw it in there. You might crack your container. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a spoon and kind of move the rocks around so it has a nice flat surface, a little surface. You can always pile it on just to make your own little hills. And I put some water in here. It does require that you get this damp, and we're just gonna tear some off and squeeze out any liquid. And kind of spread this out, and we wanna make a layer on top of the rocks. Too much, all right? And we're just gonna go ahead and press that down a little. See, looks like I used a little too much, so we're gonna take some out. All right, so we're done with that layer. Now we have the soil. We're just gonna take a scoop out and just build another layer. Looks like I used a little bit too much soil, so let's go ahead and take some more out. All right, so that layer is done. And now here is the sheet moss. The instructions do say you need to soak in water. So that's what I did before we started. And we're just gonna go ahead and squeeze it out, any excess water. Okay. And what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna go ahead and shape it a little so it can fit nicely into the container. Just a nice layer. Use our spoon again, and we're just going to go ahead and press that down. And it's looking pretty nice already. I just kind of want to move things around a little. I do have little decorations here, and let's see if we can get those in there. And then I'm gonna put our decorations in. Alrighty, and there we go. Our little moss terrarium. Just gonna hook this in there. Do a knot. And I'm just gonna double knot it. All right. And it's all set. That is how you build your little moss terrarium.